If you are an active outdoor person like I am, a bicycle is one of the items you presumably have or are looking to purchase. I purchased this bicycle a couple of years ago on Amazon simply for the look of it. I made a couple of videos showing the assembly process, some minor modifications, and another video answering some of the many questions I receive about the bike. If you haven't seen those videos, please browse my channel and I will put their link in this video's description. Many of the questions were related to durability, and after a little over 2 years with this bike, I can honestly report that I haven't come across any significant issues. The bike continues to ride for its intended purpose, and the only issue I have with my bike is the small audible screeching sound of the brakes. I have not had to replace any parts apart from the few aesthetic modifications I made when I purchased it. For a start, I like the outdoors and take part in a lot of outdoor activities, bicycling being one of them. I am a casual rider, meaning I am not riding daily, and I am not on the trail jumping over obstacles and other extreme mountain biking. Although this bike is listed on Amazon as a mountain bike, I would not buy it for mountain biking. This is the area where its durability would be an issue, because I don't believe it is built for that purpose. For one, it's a little heavy compared to other traditional bikes from the big box stores or any other conventional bike stores. The excess weight comes from having a carbon steel frame. The weight only comes into play if you must lift it to transport it. Otherwise, it doesn't change the ride quality on your typical paved road surfaces. The only other time the weight might be an issue for you when it comes to riding, it is if you intend to do real mountain biking with it. I am a casual rider. I do not do any mountain biking, and I would not recommend this for mountain biking because of the weight and the quality of the frame. But if you are a casual rider like I am, and your typical riding is in the park and around other flat paved surfaces, you should be fine. Also, this bike does fold, but not completely. I use a bike carrier, so I typically don't use the folding mechanism. But my word shouldn't be the determining factor. It's still your choice, based on your needs and your preferences. For all honesty, this bike looks good, but it's for casual biking on flat paved surfaces, such as your local park or around the neighborhood. It kind of resembles an electric bike, and the 6 spokes wheels look good in motion. I can't guarantee your experience will mirror mine, because my opinion is based on my experience with my bike. There are many similar looking bikes on Amazon, and I don't think there is much difference between them. I will put the Amazon link and the basic specifications in the description if you are interested. This is for informational purposes only, and I am not affiliated with any of the companies. If you are in the market for a new bicycle, and this one is on your list, I hope this video was able to answer some of your questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.